G'day folks, bit of a grubby day today, a bit murky but nice. The wind's died down, the rain is coming, but not yet. I've got a while to get home, and I've ceased my perambulations north and I'm heading homeward, hopefully to beat this rain. It's Monday, so the holiday makers have left, but what a refreshing sight when they leave behind something else apart from rubbish. Most people are pretty good, but I tell you, some people don't care. Anyway, I'm not here to say something negative, I'm here to say something positive. I have built a lot of these kind of things myself, a lot. This is a particularly nice one. Insofar as they've even, the creators of this masterpiece of engineering have even started threading sticks in horizontally, like some rudimentary wall, in the same way as wattle and daub, you know, is plated together. They've started putting a few little bits of furniture inside, bowerbird-esque shells and stones and nice little things. A little sort of mock fireplace there. And I think the missus might have had something to do with this. A bit of beautifying, a bit of decoration in the form of beautiful purple pig face flowers inserted into holes in the timber. Look at that one there. Really beautifully done. Another one around here. And the pig face is a really succulent coastal plant. There it is. That's it here. This is a pig face. You can see some of the flowers there. They're a proper little heliotrope. They won't open unless it's sunny. With the very succulent leaves, full of water. Really nice, really lovely plant. Very hardy. They do a good job holding the dunes together and stabilising it a bit. This stuff here is called sea rocket, Caerculea undulata, and that is a pest. I know I waste my time pulling it out whenever I see it, but it's a real pest. And it's hard to kill poisons and stuff as well, trust me, I used to do it as a job. There's another flower in there. What I wanted to say was, apart from how much I loved this kind of, you know, just happily built, not for any purpose apart from the fun, is that this kind of construction, I have no doubt, I guess if you're a, what's the word, expert on humans, can't think of the word right now, it's hardwired into our DNA. I really believe that, and I'm talking about white fellas, black fellas and brown fellas, and no matter what the colour of your skin, building this kind of construction, this primitive thing, is as natural to the human, you know, habit as digging a hole. It really is. Or, you know, that kind of thing. I think it's very cool, and it's usually more than often done by children, which is a bit of a shame that we kind of lose that fun skill as we get older. Or maybe we don't. Maybe it transfers itself into learning to become a carpenter or a builder or something. That's a nice way of thinking of it. Yeah. But they're beautiful just because I can kind of structures. I see them all over these, you know, beaches like mine. up and down the coast. I've even found a few really quite substantial ones in the mangroves and up the back of the bush, deeper into the bush where there's kids hang out, local kids. They've usually got soft drink bottles and chip packets and the odd cigarette or naughty beer bottle in them. I always leave them alone. It's great that kids can have a place like that, but it's just a primitive instinct in us, in children, in human children of all colours and creeds. Our blood is all red, and these things always pop up, and this is a great one. I live way down there further. See those houses down the end there? I live out the back of that. Going for a morning walk before the rain comes and spotted this beauty. I haven't seen one decorated before with flowers. That's great. It might not have been a girl, but it smacks of a feminine influence there. Beautiful job. I hope this kind of thing never stops. And children always have the ability and the, I don't think it ever will. Like I said, it's hardwired. Cool. That'll do. See ya.